My name is Janessa Pancho. Today, to start with, we will discuss on the concept and relationship and importance of politics, governance, and government. We will unlock the meaning of the keywords of our topic. In order to understand how the government make decisions and takes actions, we must first learn the concept of politics, governments, and government, and the importance of studying them. First, we will discuss and define what politics is and the importance of politics. What is politics? Politics in Greek means affair of the cities. According to Joyce Mitchell in his book Political Analysis and Public Policy, politics is the collective decision-making or policy-making common to the whole society. According to Haywood 2013, he defines politics as an activity that includes the interaction of people, whose relationship is characterized by conflict and cooperation, and who come together to solve such disagreement through binding solutions. Politics is the art of societal decision-making and the distribution of power in society. Permeating throughout all aspects of life, no human is exempt from political processes. Politics are crucial for societal, economic, and political progress and development. Here are 4 reasons why politics is important and how they influence human life in all shapes and forms. There are 4 reasons why politics is important.
First, helps people to understand their rights. Politics acts as the foundation of the rights of humans and set the groundwork of ethics and morality. Without politics, humans would not have a tangible benchmark and understanding of what they are entitled to as citizens of country or society and would lead to human rights violations. By leaving legal documents and political customs that delineate the rights of humans, people can be aware of what they are entitled to in the political and social landscape. Second, affects every aspect of daily lives. From paying GST during grocery shopping to driving a car to work, politics permeates in every aspect of human life. As governments and political entities hold the power to create laws and customs that govern our daily lives, it is important for people to understand that politics is the central figure in determining societal and political processes. Knowing this can help people determine what the best course of action to take when problems arise.
Third, help people to become informed voters. Voting plays an important role in politics, as citizens hold to power to change and organization structures of government and the direction society moves forward towards. To understand what benefits and disadvantages each political party brings to their campaigns, citizens have to do individual research and become informed of basic political process before casting their ballots. Fourth, influence the way people think and behave. Human attitudes and behaviors are influenced by politics as people are constantly interacting with politics on a daily basis. The way a government distributes funds or deal with proposed law affect the day-to-day lives of people, which ultimately influence the attitudes and action of people. Consequently, politics hold the power to change public sentiments, the attitude towards political phenomena, and this must to be taken in consideration during political decisions making.
On what King John and Adrian said, those are the importance of politics. It is very important to care about politics because you should know what is going on around you. The political decisions people make will affect many lives. So, we've done discussing about politics and its importance. We will move our discussion about governance and government. What is the difference between governance and government? So, let's tackle this. Maybe you have the idea that governance is the same as government. We will go into more details about it. Governance and government are two very similar words. People often get confused about difference between governance and government. Here we are going to discuss what are the difference between the two related words.
Government is a group of people who rule or run the administration of a country. In other words, it may be said that the government is the body of representative that governs and controls the state at a given time, while governance is the act of governing or ruling.
Alright, thank you. The difference between government and governance may be clarified using an example of a business which is run by a group of people. The rules and regulations which they follow in order to run the business successfully are called the management. This involves the experience and the knowledge of the owners working together with the employees to meet the set target. On a similar pattern, the government is a body of elected representatives which is headed by a single person. This body make use of established rules and a principle to efficiently run the affairs of the country in favor of the people of the nation is called governance. Simply put, governance is what governments do.
Thank you, Janessa, for emphasizing the difference between government and governance. And now, let's proceed to another topic. This is all about nation and state. But first, let us define the definition of nation. Nation is a large body of people sharing a common origin, history, culture, ethnicity, or language. Not every nation has a state. Nation-state is a system of organization where people with a common identity live inside a country with firm borders and single government.
Nation states is a system of organization where people with a common identity live inside a country with firm borders and a single government. In the concept of nation states, each state has one nation.
Okay, thank you Niriza, Hannah, and Ken for discussing what the definition of nation and state. So, we've done discussing to all of our topic. Thank you for watching and God bless.